Yeah. Turn on the screen, what do I see? Same story, different week. Yeah. Yeah. Everybody talking, nobody really saying nothing. Promises loud, but the truth stay running. Smiles on the stage, but the pain stay hidden. Shaking all the hands while the trust keeps slipping. I don't know who real, I don't know who fake. Every headline feel like another mistake. They selling fear just to keep us divided, pointing fingers while the truth gets silenced. Yeah, I'm tired of the noise, tired of the act, tired of the way they keep twisting the facts. Say it's for the people, but I don't see proof. All I see is power when they step in the booth. Tell me what changed? What changed? It's the same game, different voice, but the message don't fade. Same lies, new faces, different names, same pages. They don't feel what we feel inside. They just playing with our lives. Same lies, new faces, run the world in phases. We keep hoping things might change, but it's all the same. Yeah. Scrolling through my phone, I can't even breathe. Every single post got a different belief. People getting lost in the fight for a side, while the ones at the top just enjoy the ride. Yeah, tell me who we trust when it's all unclear. Every year feel like a copy-paste year. They building walls, but they call it protection. Feeding us anger, call it direction. I ain't trying to hate, I'm just trying to see straight. But it's hard when they control what we create. Truths get buried, lies get praised, and they wonder why we stuck in this maze. Tell me what changed? What changed? It's the same game, different voice, but the message don't fade. Same lies, new faces, different names, same pages. They don't feel what we feel inside. They just playing with our lives. Same lies, new faces, run the world in phases. We keep hoping things might change, but it's all the same. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm blind, maybe the truth's just harder to find. But every time I try to believe, something inside of me just won't agree. I don't fit in with the silence, I question. They don't like that, call it aggression. But I've been watching, I've been learning. Every broken promise got a lesson. We keep hoping, keep praying, but the cycle keeps on replaying. Different face, same conversation, different leader, same frustration. Same lies, new faces, different names, same pages. They don't feel what we feel inside. They just playing with our lives. Same lies, new faces, run the world in phases. We keep hoping things might change, but it's all the same. Same lies, new faces, and we still